Hello guys, this is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about SummerSlam 2021. The surprises return, the winners of every match will be spoken in this particular video. What are the surprises that WWE has planned for us in the biggest event of summer? What will be the return? And who will be the winner in every matches of SummerSlam 2021 match card. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about my official prediction for SummerSlam. Okay, talking about the first match is the SmackDown Tag Team Championship between Usos and the Mysterio family. So it was very disappointing at Money in the Bank that the Mysterio family dropped their tag team title. The Uso is a quite deserving one, but I don't think that Mysterio family deserve to drop the title at Money in the Bank. Now talking about SummerSlam, I believe that this match will be a good one, though I don't know that whether this will be in the kickoff show or not, but this match will be a good one. I hope that Mysterio family will give a good fight to the Usos, but I still see Usos retaining the SmackDown Tag Team Championship at this point of time. Okay, now the next match is the most least bothered match for me at SummerSlam 2021 match card. That is Alexa Bliss versus Eva Marie. I'm not at all interested in the winner of this matches or the loser, but for me I think the winner will be Alexa Bliss, and how the match will be, what the storyline will be, I'm not at all interested. Okay, so let's move on to the next match. The next match is the Raw Tag Team Championship between RK Bro and AJ Styles and Omos. So I think this championship match has been the best storyline for the Raw brand, I believe, ahead of SummerSlam, because the way Riddle and Randy Orton has built up their storyline up, I think it's a fantastic one, especially Riddle. So talking about the match, I think that this match will be one of the most interesting match for SummerSlam, and I see a new Raw Tag Team Champion at SummerSlam. That is RK Bro. For me will be the new Raw Tag Team Champion, and I believe that the way Riddle and Orton have carried on their storyline, I think this needs a brilliant ending, and that ending is a Raw Tag Team Championship. Okay, now the next match is the United States Championship will be on the line between the champion Sheamus and the challenger Damian Priest. So this is the first one-on-one championship opportunity for Damian Priest in SummerSlam. I think it will be a big event for him. But talking about the rivalry, I think the rivalry for this match is decent, though it could have been much better. But talking about the match, I hope it will be a very hard-hitting match, because both the superstars are really a hard-hitting superstar. Sheamus' reign was average, but I believe that this will be the end of Sheamus' reigns, and Damian Priest for me will be the new United States champion at SummerSlam. Okay, now the next match is between Drew McIntyre versus Jinder Mahal. The former 3MB members will collide at SummerSlam. I believe the storyline has not had up to the mark, because WWE didn't bring the past storyline up of 3MB. They just did it just for the sake to give Drew McIntyre and Jinder Mahal a match at SummerSlam. So I think the match will be good, because both the superstars are really big and are hard hitting, but I feel the story lineup is very much weak for this match. Talking about the winner, though it's a returning match for Jinder Mahal, but I believe that Drew McIntyre will clearly win this match against Jinder Mahal. Though Veer and Anki will be there to help Jinder Mahal, but I believe that Drew McIntyre will be a clear winner for this match. Okay, now let's talk about the next match. The next match is the Raw Women's Championship match. That will be a triple threat match between Rhea Ripley, Charlotte Flair and the champion Nikki Ash. So Raw has given so much time for this championship match, but still it's quite boring. Charlotte Flair still getting the opportunity, but I think that triple threat has given a bit of new to this match. So for me, I don't think that this match will be that much good, but I believe that all the three women will give their best to make this a good one. For me, the winner will be Nikki Ash, because I believe that Nikki Ash will definitely retain her championship no matter what. But the question is that whether we will see a return of any female superstar, especially Becky Lynch. So let's see what happens. But for me, the winner of this match will be Nikki Ash. Okay, now let's talk about the SmackDown Women's Championship match between Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair. So this match will be an interesting one because the rivalry build-up for this match was a bit, short, but it was quite tight, especially on the last SmackDown during the contract signing. It will be a WrestleMania rematch. I believe this match will be a good one. It's an important match for Sasha Banks, and she was out for some time due to injury, but I believe that she will definitely give her best. And now let's talk about the championship change of hand. I see that Sasha Banks has a chance to win a championship in this match, but I still believe that WWE will go with Bianca Belair because she has done an incredible job as a champion, and for me the winner will be Bianca Belair. And if Sasha Banks also win, I will not shock because she's always the hot favorite. Okay, now let's talk about the next match. The next match is the WWE Championship match between Bobby Lashley and Goldberg. So here also WWE has tried their best to make this rivalry a good one, but still I believe that this build-up was decent. And now talking about the match, there is no match between Bobby Lashley and Goldberg. Bobby Lashley is way more superior, way more powerful than Goldberg, because definitely Goldberg is quite aged right now. But talking about the chances of Goldberg to win the championship, I don't see any chances of Goldberg to win the championship because his 2-match contract for this year has been over, so he will be seen in next year, I believe. So for me, and I definitely want from my whole heart that Bobby Lashley do retain the championship against Goldberg. No hatred for Goldberg, but I believe Bobby Lashley deserves it. At least don't lose it to Goldberg, lose it to any other deserving candidate. So for me, the winner will be Bobby Lashley, but I believe that this match will be a short one. Okay, now the next match is the dream match for every WWE fan because it will be Seth Rollins versus Edge. So the rivalry build-up has been going on for past more than 1 month right now, and it has been good, though I expected to be more brutal, but I don't know what will happen on the next SmackDown. But the rivalry build-up was good. And now let's talk about the match. I think it's a dream match, and I believe WWE will make this match like a dream one. And talking about the winner, it's a very difficult one to pick the winner, but I still pick Edge to be the winner in this match because after his return, talking about WrestleMania or at Money in the Bank, he hasn't won any of the matches. So for me, the winner will be Edge, but I believe that this will be one of the best match of the night because we all know that when Seth Rollins delivers, he delivers the best. So now let's see what happens, but I still want Seth to win, but for me the pick will be Edge. Okay, now the main event, the main card of the SummerSlam 2021, John Cena versus Roman Reigns for the Universal title. So it's one of the biggest match of this year that WWE has conducted, I think, and I believe that this match will be a good one, will be the most hyped one. It's very difficult to say that whether Roman will lose the championship to Cena or not, but I believe that there is a chance that Cena might win his 17th world champion at SummerSlam 2021 because he has lost his last match against Bray Wyatt at WrestleMania 36. So for me, the winner will be Cena, but if Roman Reigns return, I will not again be surprised. Maybe that Usos will be involved in this match, maybe Finn Balor might be getting involved in this one, but I still believe that Cena deserves the 17th reign, though it will be a short one, but I think that he deserves to win this championship at least at SummerSlam 2021. So for me, with this belief that Cena will win the 17th world champion at SummerSlam, so this is my whole prediction for SummerSlam 2021 card. I hope that you guys enjoy the video, and I also hope that SummerSlam 2021 will be a good one. So see you in the next video. Cheers.